Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enrich LinkedIn and Sales Navigator profiles directly from profile pages. In case you don't already have the extension installed, head over to the Skrapp.io LinkedIn page at skrapp.io/LinkedIn and click Install for Chrome. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Just click Add to Chrome, confirm the installation, and the extension will be ready to use. Once it's installed, remember to pin it to your toolbar for quick access. Let's try enriching a profile directly. First, navigate to a LinkedIn profile. Then, click on the Skrapp extension icon in your toolbar. The extension will instantly provide you with the lead's business email, its verification status, and the associated company information. From there, you can save the enriched lead to one of your lists and access it anytime from your Skrapp dashboard. You can also export all your enriched leads into a CSV or Excel file, making it easy to integrate them into your outreach flow. Skrapp also works directly on Sales Navigator profiles. Let's open the same profile in Sales Navigator and click on the Skrapp extension icon from the toolbar. Just like on LinkedIn, you'll instantly see the verified business email, its verification status, and the related company information. And once again, you can save this enriched lead to your lists for future use. This concludes our tutorial on enriching leads with Skrapp. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at support@skrapp.io. Thanks for watching, and happy prospecting!